In 2025, WWE's flagship program, Monday Night Raw, will transition from the USA Network to Netflix, marking a significant shift after nearly 2 decades on the traditional cable network. As part of this move, Roman Reigns, also known as the Tribal Chief, is expected to be a prominent figure on Raw, likely making more appearances than on SmackDown as the road to WrestleMania 41 unfolds. While the duration of Reigns' involvement on Netflix is still uncertain, his presence is anticipated to enhance the show's appeal during this critical period. Netflix, which is venturing into live streaming, aims to resolve technical issues that plagued its recent events, such as the Jake Paul vs. Mike Tyson fight. As Raw is a weekly program airing every Monday night, the platform will need to ensure a smooth viewing experience to attract and maintain its audience. The inaugural Raw on Netflix promises to be a star-studded event, featuring Reigns along with other WWE icons like John Cena, Cody Rhodes, and CM Punk. Since his return to WWE in August 2020, Reigns has transformed into one of the company's top stars, particularly after adopting the Tribal Chief persona. His reign as Universal Champion lasted over 1,300 days and culminated in his match against Cody Rhodes at WrestleMania XL, where he ultimately lost the title. Following this defeat, Reigns took a hiatus but made a surprise comeback at SummerSlam, signaling his ongoing significance in WWE storylines. The narrative surrounding Reigns continues to evolve as he navigates alliances and rivalries, including teaming up with Rhodes against Solo Sikoa and Jacob Fatu, and facing off against the New Bloodline, featuring Sikoa, Fatu, and others, at Survivor Series, War Games. This dynamic adds layers to his character and sets the stage for compelling matchups leading into the new era of WWE on Netflix.